Sometimes a good idea can turn into a small disaster. That is exactly what is happening with the OnePlus 15. On paper, this phone is excellent. It easily sits among the top smartphones reviewed this year. It has strong battery life, a powerful processor, a great camera system, and a beautiful display. In many ways, it feels like a complete flagship. But there is one issue that almost no one talks about, and once you notice it, you cannot ignore it. The problem is not the performance. It is not the camera. It is not the software. The issue is the black version of the phone, and more specifically, the finish used on the back. OnePlus uses a process called MMO, which stands for micro-arc oxidation. According to the company, this creates a super tough nanoceramic-like layer on the back of the device. The result is a surface that feels strong, matte, and slightly papery to the touch. When you first hold it, it actually feels premium and unique. It gives you confidence that the phone is durable. But here is where things get strange. The back of the OnePlus 15 behaves like a chalkboard. Yes, you can literally write on it with your fingernail. If you drag your nail across the surface, it leaves a visible mark. The same thing can happen with other small objects. It is almost like the surface is collecting temporary scratches that look very obvious on the black finish. Now, most of these marks are not permanent. You can wipe them off with a wet cloth. Sometimes even brushing them away with your finger will remove them. That sounds fine at first. You might think, no problem, I will just clean it. But the problem is how often it happens. If you put the OnePlus 15 in your pocket and forget that your keys are inside, the back will be full of marks. Even if your pocket is empty, tiny dust particles and small debris can leave visible streaks. You end up constantly wiping the back of the phone to keep it looking clean. It becomes a daily habit. This is especially disappointing because the finish feels so good in the hand. For once, you might think you can use a flagship phone without a case. The matte texture feels secure and comfortable. But the moment you see those marks, you start worrying. And here comes the bigger issue. Because most of the scratches can be wiped away, you start believing that the phone is almost unscratchable. You become less careful. You assume that any mark you see is temporary. At least, that is what happened here. Later on, it becomes clear that not all scratches are temporary. Some faint lines remain even after wiping. These are permanent. They are harder to see. But once you notice them, you realize the coating is not as invincible as it first seemed. So now you have a phone that looks tough and resistant, but actually collects visible marks very easily. Some of them disappear. Some of them stay forever. That is frustrating. To be clear, this does not mean you should avoid buying the OnePlus 15. It is still an amazing device overall. The battery life is very solid. The performance is among the fastest on the market. The cameras deliver great results. The display is sharp, bright, and beautiful. In daily use, it feels like a true flagship. But if you are planning to buy the black version, you need to know about this finish. It looks cool. It feels great. But it gathers marks more than most other phones. And if you want to keep it looking clean and new, you will probably need to use a case, or be extremely careful with how you handle it. A simple disclaimer from OnePlus about how this coating behaves would have helped. Many buyers might not expect this kind of experience from a premium device. In the end, the OnePlus 15 is a fantastic smartphone with one very annoying flaw. The lesson here is simple. No matter how strong a coating sounds on paper, you still need to take care of your phone. And sometimes, even a super tough finish can turn into an unexpected headache.